Hello everyone, once again welcome back on my YouTube channel Queen Alexandra. Today I am here with you very interesting and very amazing platform by which you can earn passive income. So guys, don't miss any part of the video. Before starting the further review, I would request if you are new on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So guys, let's start the review now. This project is about gold rivers. In this video, I will tell about you all details of gold rivers and their RWNFTs and their tokens and how you can join this. So guys, start the review. The Gold Rivers project is a real-world asset and the token that digitally represent a physical gold mining operation on the blockchain. So it is totally depend on the blockchain and their alone mic partner and the co-owner of the mining company who leads the token as CEO, providing opportunities and showing the entire process of the gold plants and the structure and processing in full detail. The majority partner of the physical mining company is Marcos and an entrepreneur and visionary who chose to expand his business and its entire ecosystem. So the physical mining company is majority owned by Marcos and an entrepreneur and a visionary who has chosen to expand his business and ecosystem. The area registered with the National Mining Agency Compass and 1900, the area registered with the National Mining Hectares and with the Mineral Exploration Claim. Currently their reasons are currently the research phase is nearing completion with plans and to commence the construction of gold processing and structure soon. The growth of mining company will be shared in all time through videos and the report detailing the quantity of gold processed among other information gold rivers, which is represent the physically and the mining company on the blockchain providing investor and their direct connection of gold of productions. This is the profile and how will RWA work. Their 10% of mining companies' net profit will be injected into the chart and their tokens will be burned every 30 days. Their constant chart activity with institutional investors and how gold reverse NFTs are. Their gold reverse NFTs are coming soon that will be launched of gold reverse NFT where 5% of the profit will be allocated exclusively to NFT holders. And this is the profile of gold reverse you can see there. And their token mix are also given. Their total supply is given here and their buy and sell tax which is 8%, their liquidity which is 0.5% and their automatic burn 0.5%, dev valid which is 0.7% and their project valid is 6.3%. Their valid address is given here and their team 25% and pre-sale 35% and burn it 40%. All details are given here. How you can join this, become a part of Gold Rivers community and participate in a project that merges traditional gold mining with blockchain innovation. By joining us, you will have access to exclusive update, investment and opportunities and a network of like-minded individuals. Their email address is given. Also, their Telegram and Twitter and Instagram account are also given in there. All official link will be mentioned in the description of the video. So guys, this was the official page and next this is the white paper of Gold Rivers. The Gold Rivers is a pondering real world asset token that connect a physical gold mining operation with the digital through blockchain technology, which is created by owner and key partner of licensed mining company. And Gold Rivers offers investor a unique way to access and benefit from the proven stability of gold combined with the transparency and innovation of Web3. So guys, through the Gold Rivers investor gain exposed to an established mining operation which is backed by a 1900 hectare and area registered with the National Mining Agency. This project is not only tokenized a tangible asset but also allows the holders to actively follow the mining journey, which receiving update on extraction processing and overall growth managed by CEO Elon Mike, a partner in the mining Operation Gold Rivers operate a commitment to transparency, offering and regular time, which reporting all the aspects of the projects. So guys, this is the profile of Gold Rivers. You can see there, and their token itself is designed to bring long-term value of investors, featuring a profit-sharing model where 10% of the mining company's net income is reinvested back to the token market through buybacks and burns, ensuring ongoing value appreciation, and furthermore, the upcoming launch of the Gold Reverse NFT will allow holder to earn a portion of mining profits and a share of reward. So gold reverse represent a breakthrough the tokenization of real-world asset. The demonstration law blockchain technology can bridge traditional industries with the decentralized finance. So it is more than investment in innovative approach and they're enabling investor globally to participate the profitably and securely to precious metals. So this was the white paper and their profile of gold rivers and in their all details about the potential transparency, accessibility and trust and their mining company and their monthly injection and NFT rewards and also their token details, their tax matrices are also given here. So guys stay tuned for further and upcoming videos.